Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Divya Mittal. I'm from AST. Today, I'm here to present a webinar on infrared pyrometers for industrial applications. First of all, I would like to start with the intro of my company. My company, AST, established in 1994 in Israel, which is basically deal with non-contact temperature measurement solution. In 2009, there is a joint venture between Timson's and AST Israel, and a new company has formed named AST India. AST deals with IR sensors, furnace cameras, thermal imagers, and black bodies. In 2018, a new company has formed named AccuOpt, which deal with thermal imager products. It is the whole soul responsible for thermal imagers manufacturing as well as the R&D sections. If I am talking about the AST, then our core is our performances, our products and our services, which we will provide to our customer to increase their productivity and fulfill their expectations. We believe in long-term relationships with our customers, our employers, our vendors, as well as our shareholders. We provide solution in the field of infrared technology to the industries and provide them innovative solutions. Now, I'm coming on my topic, infrared pyrometers for industrial application. As we all know, there are four most common process variables: temperature, pressure, flow, and level. Here we are discuss about the temperature because each and every process temperature has its own significance. We can say that if your temperature control is poor, then will it will become adverse effect on the safety, on quality, and on your productivity. Although it is often difficult to measure the accurate temperature. Here we are discussing about the non-contact method of measuring the temperature. For discuss about the non-contact method, first we have to understand about the pyrometers. What are the pyrometers? Pyrometers basically is equivalent to cameras. Like cameras, it also have lenses, apertures, filters, sensors, and processors. A pyrometer is a non-contacting device that measures thermal radiations. It is used to determine the temperature of an object surface without contact to the surface. Why we prefer non-contact sensors? Because they are fast. If your target is moving, then you have to choose non-contact sensors. For hazardous application, and if you can't access your object physically, then you again go to the non-contact sensors. For high temperature measurement, if your if your product will be contaminated of using that, then you again choose non-contact sensors. ASC has a vast range of products list in which we are offering so many pyrometers for your applications. We have A plus series pyrometer, A series pyrometer, T series pyrometer, E series pyrometer, glass pyrometer, and portable pyrometer. We have some special pyrometers also, which are Swift, our PGM model, SRUFO, P390, and P450C. It is always a main question arises how to choose our pyrometer. There are so many factors on which we can decide which pyrometer is suitable for us. Here I am discussing with some factors. First, the major important factor is application. If you know the application, then you can choose your pyrometer. Second one is temperature range, working distance, type of the surface, and your spot size. Here we are uh, suggested some model according to the applications. If you are working on metallic application, you can go with our A series model, A plus series model, E series model, portable 250 and 450C, T3 model, and FOPL. If you are working on glass applications, you can choose our model AL 514, T3 514, TL 514, our portable pyrometer 450G2 and PGM plus. For non-metallic application, we generally recommend AL30, EL50, T3 814, TL8 and TI 1500. If you want to measure the temperature through the flame, then you can choose our model AL390, T3390 and P390. If you want to measure the temperature of flame, then you can go with our model AL45. And for petrochemical industries, we recommend our SRUFO model. Now, we are talking about steel industries applications. As in steel industry, there are so many applications where we can recommend our pyrometer. Our first application is annealing furnace. In this application, metal is heating to a predefined temperature, holding a certain time and then cooling to the room temperature to improve the ductility and reduce the brittleness. So in this application, we suggest our model A250 with temperature range 210 to 3000 degrees centigrade. It's our single pyrometer, single color pyrometer, and it's come with some accessories with rugged cooling jacket with quartz glass protection window. In oxygen furnace ladle temperature before hot metal pouring application. In this application, ladles are preheated before being used. So we recommend here our model A450 with the temperature range 600 to 2500 degrees centigrade. In this model, in this software of this model, we can provide you a peak picker facility. This facility is enable us to record the temperature of each ladle. In this model, we offer you so many accessories like temperature indicator, cooling and mounting accessories, etc. As well as we have OLED display and parameterizing key with this model. For hot rolling application, we recommend our model A450. It is a metalworking process that occurs above the recrystallization temperature of the material. In this pyrometer, again, you have the peak picker facility for continuously data storage, as well as its spot size is small, so you can find the hottest spot and to measure the real hot surface temperature instead of oxidation scaling. It again come with this model come with OLED display and parameterizing keys. For TMT application, we recommend our model A250, A450 with the temperature range 210 to 3000 degree centigrade. TMT stands for thermomechanical treatment. In this application, so many stages are involved like water quenching, heating, cooling. So we recommend this model. It's having high accuracy, is plus minus 0.3%. It available laser target light as well through the lens sighting. It having the short response time of 2 millisecond up to 10 second. It is having a rugged design which is suitable for high ambient condition and spot size is small. In molten metal in blast furnace application. In this application, we recommend our model A450C with temperature range 600 to 2500 degree centigrade. In molten metal application, the end product is our molten metal slag plus waste gases. Due to waste gases and atmospheric disturbance, we recommend our two-color pyrometer. It is a ratio pyrometer which helps to give us more accurate reading rather than single color using single color pyrometer. It is having through the lens sighting for precise target focusing, and it is having a small spot size. In wire and row temperature application, we recommend our model A250 FOPL with temperature range 250 degrees centigrade to 2500 degrees centigrade. This model is come with fiber optical cable which helps the pyrometer to install away from the hot area without need of water cooling. It is having a very small spot size and a fast response of approximately 2 milliseconds enabled to record the temperature accurately. It comes with OLED display and parameterizing keys. In stove dome application. In stove dome application, we recommend our model A250 CFOPL or A450 CFOPL with temperature range 350 degrees centigrade to 3200 degrees centigrade in which sub-range is adjustable. Stove dome is an important part of iron making in blast furnace process. So we recommend here our two-color pyrometer with fiber optic cable. Ratio pyrometer help us to provide the accurate reading, while fiber optic cable help the pyrometer install away from the hot area. Its wide angle optical head ensures measurement of large area of grate. Now, sintering application. In sintering application, again we recommend our model A250 CFOPL and A450 CFOPL. It is a thermal technique of compacting and forming of solid material using heat and pressure without melting the main constituent. So we in this model we have two-color pyrometer with fiber optic cable, and it is having integrated OLED display with parameterizing keys. Now, in continuous casting application. In this application, we prefer our model A450C FOPL with temperature range 600 degrees centigrade to 2500 degrees centigrade. Continuous casting is a process where molten metal is solidified into semi-finished billet, blooms or slab. So, ratio pyrometer with fiber optical cable is suitable for this application, and we also provide rugged accessories like ceramic tubes, air cooling jacket for fiber optic cable. In coke oven temperature measurement application, as we all know that temperature affect the quality of coke. If your temperature is low, then carbonization of coal will be incomplete, so it will lead to poor coke quality, air pollution, and generate problems. If your coke is overheated, it will waste the fuel and damage the oven bricks. So it is very important to maintain the temperature of coke oven. Here we are recommend our model portable model P250 with temperature range 210 to 2500 degrees centigrade, and our model P450 with the temperature range 600 to 3000 degrees centigrade. In this model we have through the lens view sighting. It is having focusable optics for adjusting the small spot sizes. It is having a LCD display on the model, as well as it have the capacity of store the data approximate 4000 values. It's having the user friendly software for communication. Now we are coming with our steel industries, cement industries. In clean burning zone application. In cement industry, this process play a key role in ensuring the optimal quality clinkers. Several changes in the temperature may damage the refractory linings. The cost of refractories is a major expense, so accurate temperature monitoring is important to avoid refractory failure. So we recommend our model A450C for this application. Due to dusty environment, again a color pyrometer is recommended at it, and we have accessories like rugged water cooling jacket and air purge unit with codes for protection window make the system suitable for the harsh environment applications. In clinker temperature and temperature of cement grout measurement application. Here we recommend our model EL50 with the temperature range 0 degree centigrade to 800 degree centigrade. It is our low cost model and it is having the fastest response with milliseconds. Again, it is having a user-friendly software and it is having a sensor head with a stand ambient temperature up to 1020 degree centigrade. One of our cement grout manufacturer wished to record real-time temperature of the grout over 60 minutes of mixing a small sample in the lab. We recommend our model by which he was able to record the change in temperature over the 60 minutes for each sample. Now we are coming with glass industries application. As we all know that there are so many high energy process involved in glass industries. If our temperature is controlled, then it will the quality will be homogeneous, it will improve the efficiency and reduce the scraps of the glass products. So for efficient process control, temperature measurement is done during the various production stages in glass industries. Here we are trying to summarize these applications in 4 parts. First one is working tank and 4 hearth furnaces application. In this application, we recommend our model 450G2 with temperature range 600 to 1800 degrees centigrade. It has a response time of about 250 milliseconds and it is having a heavy duty fiber optic base 2-wire pyrometer with digital output. Its spectral range is 1.0 and accuracy is plus minus 0.3%. In Glasgow application. In Glasgow application, we recommend our model A450CFOPL with temperature range 600 to 3200 degree centigrade. In Glasgow, it is very important to measuring the temperature of glass. So, faster response time is required. In this model, the response time is 20 milliseconds. Now, in container glass mold application. In container glass mold application, we recommend our model PGM Plus with temperature range 250 degrees centigrade to 600 degrees centigrade. It is a handheld, battery-operated, non-contact pyrometer which is having the response time of 2 milliseconds and accuracy is plus minus 0.3%. It is having a rotatable probe which can rotate 360 degree. In this model, we can store 1000 readings and the spectral range is 1.6 micron. In this model, if there is any problem with the probe, then we can change the probe and use the remaining system. Now, in petrochemical industries. In petrochemical industries, we are offering our special pyrometer SRU-FO recommend. The temperature range of SRU-FO is 350 degrees centigrade to 2000 degrees centigrade. It is having 2 analog outputs. This model can measure the temperature of refractory and glass temperature at the same time. It is having explosion proof certification for this model and it is having OLED display with keypad. So So these are the model which we are categorized according to according to the application. In spite of that, there are so many applications where we are using our pyrometers. If you want to ask any questions, please let me know. Thank you.